хамтран зохион байгуулагч Хаан банк. Хувийн дугаар 409 шинэ үеийн хамтлаг.
You gotta have pep, you gotta have boop a doop in large amounts. Nowadays it's speed that counts. You gotta have pep, you gotta have pep. You gotta have vitamins from A to Z to give you speed and energy. You gotta have pep, milk and eggs will give you dancing legs. Fruits and greens, peas and beans, eat them and that means you're gonna have pep. You're gonna step out with all the speed you need. You'll find out that you'll succeed. You gotta have pep. Oh yeah! You gotta have pep. You gotta have lots of things and lots of vim. Give me lots around the gym. You gotta have pep. You gotta have pep. You gotta have run and jump and catch and throw. Double your get come and go. You gotta have pep. Broccoli will give you energy. Spinach plus asparagus. Take a tip from me. You gotta have pep. You gotta have healthy food and exercise. That pep makes you a prize. You gotta have pep. You gotta have food in large amounts. Nowadays it's speed that counts. You gotta have pep. You gotta have pep. You gotta have vitamins from A to Z. Give you speed and energy. You gotta have pep. Milk and eggs will give you dancing legs. Fruits and greens, peas and beans, eat them and that means you're gonna have pep. You gotta step up with all the speed you need. Find out that you'll succeed. You gotta have, you gotta have, you gotta have pep. Come on everybody, come on everybody. One, two, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around 2 o'clock tonight.
Oh, well, bless my soul, what's wrong with me? I make you like a man on a fuzzy tree. A friend said to my people, wars are born and made love. I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah. I'm all shook up. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I feel the fire. Tired of girls, but I'm the best. My heart beats so I scared to live it down the way she touched my hand. The what you I got. Oh, lips are like a bowl of cantaloupe salt. I'm trying to say that she's my company lover. I'm all shook up. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I'm all shook up.
Perfect Dance шоу нэвтрүүлэг.